Just like to talk about the use of our knee block attachment. So the knee block is commonly used with the mini parallel bars and provides just a nice area or system for doing sit to stand activities, partial squats, and those kind of things. So if I had an individual here with the to practice sit to stands, we could place that knee block just below the knees here, and then they could use the bars here to provide some support and work on real safe sit to stands, repetitive sit to stands. The other thing we do is just if you wanted to work on some partial squats, move this chair out of the way here a little bit, they could then just do some partial squats and then maybe touch the knee block. And you could move the knee block further down if you want to do a little deeper squat. And they kind of have that safety there if their knee were to buckle to prevent them from going further down. You can use this for other activities as well. So, stretching of the knee. If you got a total knee patient and you want to do some prolonged stretching, place a weight over the leg here to do that stretching, or for hamstring type stretches for your patient. The other thing you can do is we're going to move this out of the way. Place it down on the floor. And we're going to bring this up higher. So it can be used for giving you something to kind of give you a contact point for your hip. So if you're going to be doing hip exercises, it gives you kind of a stability device here to place your hip against. If you're doing kind of four-way hip activities, if you feel like the patient needs that kind of stability. You can also use it even for things like bring it up higher, say to the mid T-spine area, and we could do some, extension over this to open up the chest a little bit. So lots of different activities. Another thing you can do, if you place this down lower, again, you could have the mini parallel bars here, but you could use it as a kind of a goal here for them to step and do some step touches onto if you're doing kind of repeated steps or marching in place. So really it's just up to your imagination of the different activities you can do with the knee block.